Hi, I'm Jonathan Pickup. I've taught thousands of people to use Vectorworks. One of the things that often comes up is how to manage the resource manager. If you have a look at my screen at the moment, you'll see that my resource manager is pretty busy. I have here my project. This is my creating drawings project. I use this on a lot of my webinars and workshops because it's got so much random stuff in it. But you might notice there's a lot of resources that are just hanging around here. There's gradients and hatches and worksheets, plants. I mean, there's just a lot of stuff here. And so one of the tricks is to really make sure that you manage the resources that are here and make it easy to find things. For example, all my fence styles are here. Fence components, my fence styles. When I want to create a fence, it's very easy for me to go and find the fence that I'm looking for. If I'm drawing timber, I can go to this folder here and find all of my bits of timber, all beautifully coloured, all the joist hangers, all the bits that I need to draw well. Windows and doors, I got my foundation materials. It's really handy to have all of this stuff available. This is actually my template, which I covered in another movie. So I just wanted to look at this project here because it's not neat and tidy. It's not all sorted. So for example, the washing machine, that should really be in some sort of fixtures. My plants, this tree here, these trees should really be in my plant symbols. I've got some plant symbols here for trees, so I can just drag those and drop those into trees. There are a lot of textures that go with trees, so we need to have something to control all of our textures. Here's my textures here, and you'll see that there's a lot in there already. Let's have a look. So let's find some textures. Here's a whole lot of textures here. Now, an easy way to do this, because there's quite a lot of work to sort all this out, but if we change what we're looking at to just RenderWorks textures, then we'll see all of our textures, and we'll also see the folder over here called textures. So what I could do is start here, click once, shift click onto that one there, the wood oak, and drag all of those into my textures. And there they are. They're all in there now. Really quick, nice and easy. So let's change this and we'll look at worksheets. So there's my worksheets. I need to create a new worksheet folder. So let's go down here, new folder. This is a worksheet folder. It already says at the top here. So let's call this worksheets. Now I can grab all of those worksheets and drop them into my folder. Nice and easy. And you can see I've got my folder here. So it just starts to organize your information so that when you go up here and have a look, there's all the worksheets that you need. And this is my template, so it actually has a lot of worksheets in it. We can then go to wall styles and make sure all of our wall styles are stored. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. Hey, if you want to get more, don't forget to become a member. Then you can attend webinars with me and workshops with me. And we can go through this stuff live and you can ask me questions. Thanks for watching.